AI will take over most new grad jobs in the next 5 years, is the title of the latest email in your inbox. Startling, isn't it? Next, an image from a social media news feed. It appears authentic, but is it? While deciding what movie to watch, you come across an AI-generated movie review. Could this information be accurate? And here, a video your friends are sharing. Intriguing, but what's the context? Asking questions like these, we start to think critically about AI. And with critical thinking, we can navigate this maze of information, deciphering truth from what is fake.